Want to permanently delete your Whop account and remove all your data? Start by logging into your Whop account. Once logged in, navigate to the Account tab in your dashboard. Look for the Permanently Delete Account option, introduced in a 2025 update. You'll need to provide a reason for deleting your account and confirm your decision via email verification. Before proceeding, resolve any pending financial obligations, such as unpaid fees or refunds to buyers if you're a seller. Sellers may also need to transfer product ownership or delist items. Once complete, Whop will send a final confirmation email with a 14-day grace period to cancel the deletion. After this period, your account will be permanently deleted and your data will be purged from Whop's servers. You will receive a final confirmation notice after deletion. If you encounter any issues or self-service fails, contact Whop support at support@whop.com with proof of identity. Whop also recommends exporting your data using the Download My Data tool before initiating the deletion process. When you permanently delete your Whop account, several things happen to your data. Personal identifiers like your name, email address, and IP addresses are removed. Transaction logs, uploaded files, if not sold to others, and API keys are also deleted. Whop uses end-to-end encryption and data minimization principles, overwriting data on servers to prevent recovery. However, keep in mind that anonymized analytics, such as aggregate sales data, may be retained for business purposes, as permitted by law. It's also important to understand the difference between deactivation and permanent deletion. Deactivation only temporarily suspends access to your account, while permanent deletion irrevocably removes all your data. After permanent deletion, any attempts to access your account will fail, and Whop support will be unable to restore your data. Be aware that if you were a seller, your products may still be accessible to buyers, but your personal data and account information will be completely erased. Whop's data handling practices are designed to comply with global standards like GDPR, ensuring user rights and data privacy.